Before modern medicine, before the hum of machines and the glare of hospital lights, healing began in nature. Our ancestors gathered roots, leaves, and seeds, not by chance, but by observation. They built a world of curas simple, pure, and powerful. Over time, science advanced, and those ancient remedies were left behind, almost forgotten in the rush toward the new. But today, science is turning a curious eye back to the past. It's rediscovering what our ancestors knew all along, that nature, in its purest form, still holds the profound power to heal. This isn't about choosing between the old and the new. It's about bringing them together. We're embarking on a journey to explore the lost language of healing, where ancient wisdom meets modern proof. Join us as we uncover the scientific secrets behind the world's forgotten cures. In ancient Egypt, the gel of the aloe vera plant was a prized remedy applied to soothe burns and treat infections. In Greece, a simple tea brewed from fennel seeds was the go-to solution for digestive comfort, and far away in South America, the leaves of the guava tree were crushed into a paste to help heal wounds. These weren't miracles. They were methods passed down through generations. Each culture developed its own unique and intimate relationship with the plants around them. It was a silent dialogue between humans and nature, a partnership that flourished for centuries. Healing wasn't just a science, it was an art, and every leaf, every root, and every flower held a lesson waiting to be learned. Today, those ancient practices are no longer just stories whispered from the past. They're being meticulously studied in labs around the world, and what science is finding is truly remarkable. It's confirming the profound wisdom of our ancestors. Take cinnamon, for example, once burned as a sacred incense in ancient rituals. This fragrant spice is now proven to help regulate blood sugar and fight inflammation. Studies published in the Journal of Medicinal Food show that a compound in cinnamon called cinnamaldehyde can improve insulin sensitivity and support heart health. Then there's rue, a plant used in ancient Rome to cleanse and protect. What was once a ritualistic herb is now understood on a molecular level. Rue contains potent alkaloids and flavonoids that give it powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties. What was once seen as spiritual protection, we now have scientific evidence for. And let's look at the humble guava leaf. A tea made from these leaves was a traditional remedy for fevers. We now know that guava leaves are incredibly rich in quercetin and other antioxidants that bolster the immune system. Clinical studies have confirmed that they can significantly reduce oxidative stress in the body. What our ancestors practiced as intuition, science now validates as biology. It's the ultimate confirmation, ancient wisdom, backed by modern evidence. But these forgotten cures were never just about the plants themselves. They were part of a much bigger picture, a philosophy of balance, a delicate equilibrium between the body, the mind, and the earth. It was about seeing health not as the absence of illness, but as a state of complete harmony. Modern science has a term for this: homeostasis. Our ancestors simply called it living in harmony with nature. In fact, according to the National Institutes of Health, practices rooted in this ancient understanding, like mindfulness, herbal nutrition, and consuming plant-based compounds, can demonstrably reduce inflammation markers and support our immune resilience. Every cup of herbal tea we sip, every quiet moment we spend in nature, every small act of self-care, it's all part of an ancient science of survival. It's a gentle reminder that to truly heal is to remember our connection to the world around us. And now we're witnessing a revival. Those old forgotten cures are reawakening, from comforting herbal teas to concentrated essential oils, from powerful natural extracts to sophisticated plant-based medicine. The world is listening again. People are seeking out the gentle effectiveness of nature, integrating these ancient practices into their modern lives. You see it in bustling markets, in quiet homes where people are making their own infusions, and even in clinics where doctors are studying the benefits of herbs. This isn't just a fleeting trend. Herbalism is a return. It's a homecoming. It's a powerful reminder that true health begins right where life does in the soil. Nature is not an alternative, it is the original. We've spent centuries forgetting. Now, it's time to remember. It's time to listen to the wisdom that has been waiting patiently in the rustling leaves and the silent roots. Join us as we continue to uncover the science behind the world's forgotten cures. Follow our channel to rediscover how ancient knowledge can heal our present naturally. Thank you for watching.